Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Discord easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here, and now as you will find here display name, click on it, and now you can type your name as you want, and that's how to change your name on your account on Discord easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.